What's going on, people? In this video I am going to DJI Hasselblad, located in Regent Street in London, to get my aerial footage reviewed. Also, I'm also going to pick up some propellers for my drone. No, that's what that's way. Oh, this is interesting. Yeah, this was way more better than you see. Right, we are in. See if we can find someone. Hey, do you work it?
Yeah.
Also, I do drone photography. Get a review. I'm going to show you some of my work and just give me honest feedback.
Yeah, sure.
Then, this is my drone page here. I don't do a lot of my work with the mini.
No, but these are good for edges.
Thanks a lot. Is there any ways, I don't know if you're into drones, but is there anything you could say I could improve on?
Composition.
Yeah?
So like where you're
Framing.
basically, yeah.
Cool.
I think that's the most important thing. Once you learn composition, you'll be set.
Thanks a lot. Appreciate you for that. Ready for payment?
I'll go.
Nice one. Thank you. So as you can see, I've got a quick review of my footage. You look through some of the TikToks, as you can see. So it's quite good. I could improve on some of the composition. So yeah, I think that's what I'm going to work on for more in the future with the drone footage, more of the orbits, the push in, pull out, like, all the shots. I'm going to do a lot more work on the composition. Looking at the lovely Inspire 3. Oh, this is interesting. Yeah, this was way more better than
you switch off this one. One second. I don't use that. That's for losers, as I say.
Follow. Rear. Follow. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god. Controlling my hands.
so close. This is all in the DJI retail store. You sold it to me.
Backwards, 22. Forwards. We found a lens.
You know what's funny? I never fly the Neo 1, But since seeing the, oh my days.
It's just because of the glass.
Okay, got you. Yeah. Oh my days. Security. No, that's way. Yeah, this is insane. And how many times did you say you've flown this?
So many. I love the
It's
car already.
It's so smooth. Yeah, this is phenomenal. This is phenomenal. This is phenomenal.
And then we can just put the sensor and stuff.
Got you.
Like so when you're driving.
Got you. And yeah, no, got you. This is perfect. Yeah, this is insane. Oh my days. Yeah, I've seen it up. Yeah, I love it. I also like the new color.
Yeah, I like it as well.
Yeah.
I like this new grey-ish they are doing there.
Yeah. It's like that charcoal grey. Yeah, I love it. You sold it to me. I love how it's so smooth as well. Wow. Thanks a lot for showing me that.
No worries, man.
I appreciate that a lot. This drone is one of the most phenomenal drones. Look at the price tag. I've never actually seen one in person. Like, the size of it is not that actual big. I thought it was much more bigger than this, but it's not that big. But for 13,000, you get the aircraft, the RC, you get the camera, 6 batteries, you get a 1 terabyte SSD, charging hub, you get the lens, you get the gimbal case, you get the aircraft battery trolley, you get the waist support, controller strap, 3 propellers. Do you not think that's enough? Because I don't think that's enough. Yeah, so that was a quick review of my footage at the DJI Hasselblad store in London, Regent Street. I think it actually went well. Got to actually see the Neo 2. I think they just showed me an extra drone as well. That's why I actually love DJI. Every time I go there, there's literally another product I end up buying or literally adding to my fleet. So can't complain. I had a good one. So now I am literally gonna go find a vehicle to get home. Yeah, I found that was a great, interesting experience. I got to test out the Neo 2. I got to see it in action. It's made me make my decision up if it's worth it yet. It's a brilliant drone. The only drone I haven't yet looked at is the DJI Flip. It doesn't really suit any of my purposes. I'm wondering if I should get it for a video to do a little test. Once again, if you enjoyed that video, leave a like, subscribe if you're interested in drone content. If you'd like to see more videos like this, make sure to leave a like on the video. Make sure to share with any of your drone enthusiasts or your drone friends. Leave a like, subscribe if you're interested in drone content. So yeah, stay tuned.